Hello students. Now in this tutorial we are going to cover two questions, question 3rd and question 4th of exercise 12.5. Before moving ahead, let me introduce you to three concepts which will be used in this exercise. First one is that you already know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Third one is third point, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Now how do we obtain 3600 seconds? The calculation is here on top. So you know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So if we multiply 60 by 1, the product will be same. 60 into 1 is 60 only. So 60 into 1 minute. Here what you are doing, you are substituting the value of 1 minute as 60 seconds because you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 60 into, in place of 1 minute you will write 60 seconds. So when you will multiply 60 by 60, you will get the answer 3600. This is 3600 seconds. So in 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. The calculation is here on top, so you can refer to these calculations before learning the equation that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So these 3 points should be learnt by heart by you. Fine. Now proceeding to exercise 12.5, we are starting with question number 3. It says convert the following into seconds. You have to convert the following time which is given to you into seconds. So you will make use of the three equations according to your requirement. First is A part, 3 minutes and 15 seconds. You know that 15 seconds are already in seconds. That means you need to convert only 3 minutes. As 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 3 minutes will be equal to 3 multiplied by 60 is equal to 180 seconds. You should understand that when you go from big unit to a smaller unit, bigger unit to a smaller unit, then you multiply. So that's why we are multiplying. When you will add 180 to 15, you will get the answer as 195 seconds. Similarly here, 2 minutes. As 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 2 minutes will be equal to 2 multiplied by 60 is equal to 120 seconds. Here also you are going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, minutes to seconds. That's why you are multiplying. Coming to next D part, we are choosing 4 minutes and a quarter of a minute. First understand what is meant by a quarter of a minute. Quarter means 15. The value of quarter is 15. So it is talking in terms of minute. That means in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So what is quarter of a minute? That will be equal to 15 seconds because in 1 minute there are 60 seconds. So here we are talking about quarter. So it will be equal to 15 seconds. So quarter of a minute is equal to 15 seconds. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here we have to change 4 minutes. This we have already converted into seconds. Coming to 4 minutes. So 4 minutes will be equal to 4 multiplied by 60 is equal to 240 seconds. Now you are getting both the answers in second. Now add them. 15 plus 240 seconds will give you an answer 255 seconds. This way you are required to calculate. When you go from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, there you are always multiplying. Now coming to G part of the same question, third, 3 hours and 20 minutes. This you have to change into seconds. So one by one we will do. First of all, you know that we have learnt in this part that 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So in G part there are 3 hours. So what will be the value in seconds? So you know as 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So 3 hours will be equal to 3 multiplied by 3600 is equal to 10800 seconds. You can do the calculations in rough work column and you will get this answer. Then as 1 minute is equal to 16 seconds, but here we are having 20 minutes. That means 20 minutes will be converted into seconds. 20 into 60 will be equal to 1200 seconds. So now both the values are in seconds. So here getting the value of 3 hours as 10800 seconds and 20 minutes as 1200 seconds. Now add these two values. 10800 plus 1200 seconds will be equal to 12,000 seconds. So we have got this answer 3 hours 20 minutes into seconds as 12,000 seconds. Okay. Coming to fourth question, it says convert the following as directed. Now whatever will be given to you, you have to convert in the same manner. So we are choosing two parts here only in this question. A part says 345 seconds into minutes. Now here you have to change from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. Small to big is always division. When you go from smaller unit to a bigger unit, you always divide. So as 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 1 second will be equal to 1 upon 60. 1 upon 60 notes division here. 1 upon 60 minutes. That means 345 seconds. You will divide this number by 60. You will get 5 as the question. 60 into 5, 300, and remainder will be 45. That means 5 minutes and 45 seconds will be the answer. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Coming to a different type now, E part, it says 5760 seconds into hours. So how to convert into hours directly from seconds? As we will go step by step. First we will divide by 60 and get the answer in minutes. Then we will divide the same answer in minutes by 60 again, and we'll get the answer finally in hours and minutes combination. Let's start. So as 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, so 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minutes. So we are converting 5760 into 60 seconds into minutes. So how you will do? You will divide by 60. You will get 96 as the quotient and 0 remainder. That means this is in minutes. So that means 5760 seconds is equal to 96 minutes. Now convert this answer again into seconds, into hours by dividing again by 60. As 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 1 upon 60 hours. Okay, this denotes division. So 96 minutes will be equal to 96 divided by 60. Again divide this number by 60. You will get 1 as the question and 36 as remainder. This denotes that 96 minutes is equal to 1 hour and 36 minutes. So the whole answer 5760 seconds we have converted into hours. It is equal to 1 hour and 36 minutes. This is how you have to do. I will share the same images on Snap Homework today. Please do watch the tutorial one more time and understand the concept. Thank you so much for watching.